Hello, in this video I want to show you all available connection methods with Razer Basilisk Ultimate. And let's start with most, simple one, and that will be wired connection. So the mouse comes with a cable, and you can directly connect the cable right here to your mouse. So it should go like this. And then to your PC. Now wait a few moments. We might actually need to power on our mouse too, so there's a switch for power on the bottom. Okay, I didn't connect it fully here, sorry, that's my fault, but now the mouse works fine. And then the next option for connection is also through the cable, and here you can connect the charging station to your PC, and that is most, the best connection option you can get. This charging station also comes with this mouse, so connect it to your PC, then look on the bottom of your mouse, because as you can see it doesn't work now, and there's a hatch right here. You can open this hatch, and inside we have a USB dongle that we need to connect to this charging port. And I think from now our mouse should spring to life. Yep, it works fine now, and we can also at the same time make sure to close this hatch. And we can connect it to the charger so that it charges all the time when it's idle. And the last connection option is through your dongle. So all you need to do is to connect this dongle with your PC. And now the mouse works again. So make sure to power on your mouse before doing anything, because otherwise it won't work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.